Generally, I used to share the coupons of Udemy, and when I share those, I have the course details, and then I provide the links, appropriate links, the coupon links. So when you click on this, I mean, when you control click, it takes you to that specific page. So that's what happens. If I click on it, it takes you to that page. But then, if you want to change those details, how do I go about doing it? This was I was trying to find it out, and I was not able to do. Then I was looking at various different documentation, and it was fairly simple because generally you embed. If you look at it, you embed this. You insert the link and then embed it. Or if you need to edit this link, you change the coupon. I mean, whatever it is, you change the URL, you change the coupon. And if there are more, I mean, there are number of I think 40, 50. Changing the particular URL was quite cumbersome. It was taking time. And finally, I found out a method, so I thought I should share over here as well. So all you need to do is you need to click on Alt F9. That is, click Alt and F9 together. It's going to provide you those details. So now then you can always do a find replace. You could do a find replace. I mean, find and replace appropriate. Find what? Maybe you find and just change that so that if it is ny ny deal, yeah, find replace is pretty straightforward. So instead of this one, yes, you can replace with a different one, whatever it is. So find replace and replace all will replace everything. Only part of the URL will get replaced, and then yes, of course, you do an Alt and then Alt F9 should bring you back those. So this is shared, only that specific URL will get changed. So this way, it's far more easier when you want to change the URL of a embedded code. So that is normally instead of doing a edit hyperlink, instead of doing that, so all that is required is Alt Alt F9 will give you the hyperlink. So then find replace, and then again you got to do Alt F9. Alt F9 will then bring you back because URL, because you have a heading, and in the heading you embed it. Alt F9, you want to replace the URL, you can go ahead and change whatever you want. If the URL is applicable, or you want to replace a part of it, you could do it, and then do an Alt F9. So this I thought I should share. This is a kind of a tidbit. So somebody is using it, then somebody is using it, a part of the URL need to be changed, which is already embedded. Instead of going to do an edit URL, you could do that in the entire documentation as well. So probably this might be useful to some of you. Thank you.